I want to show you our new website where you can find all the information about how the bot works. We have included details about the $100,000 challenge, the first month results, and the launch videos. On the site, you can review the strategy overview and access the full documentation. I have specifically highlighted an important point. When the bot trades strategically across a wide range, it is essential to wait for the positions to fully close. At any given moment, the exchange might show a loss, but this is temporary. Once the position is closed, it will definitely be reflected as a profit. You will also see statistics from my personal account where I started the bot with $7,000. It shows the monthly compound profits. We have also added a special calculator. Every capital level requires a specific configuration and suitable trading pairs. For example, the bot will not work with only $100. You need at least $300 to run one or two pairs. As your capital grows, you can start diversifying and add 5 or even 10 pairs. If you have over $1,500 in capital, you can have the bots trade 10 different pairs for better diversification. For maximum stability, I recommend sticking to a limit of 10 pairs. The website also provides detailed instructions for VPS setup, including step-by-step images. You can also find a free trial version to test the bot and a link to our Telegram contact channel